This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 34 Applet Programming I. In this module, we delve into the realm of applet programming, a fundamental topic explored earlier, encompassing various mechanisms, concepts, and techniques that will be systematically reviewed before proceeding further. An applet is a small program embedded within web pages, enabling user interaction and multimedia capabilities. Java's applet functionality enhances applications with user-friendly interfaces, presenting content through a window with a title, status bar, and view area for displaying text, videos, menus, and more. To create an applet, we start by extending the applet class and importing the necessary packages, implementing methods like paint to build a graphical user interface GUI using Java's applet and AWT packages. An HTML file is required to embed and browse the applet's class files. The structure of an applet program consists of four main parts: import statements, class declaration, variable declarations, and method implementations. While variables and methods are optional, three key methods init, start and stop initialize, execute, and terminate the applet, respectively. Among the five main applet methods, init, stop, paint, and destroy, the paint method is crucial for displaying content and drawing images within the applet, while destroy removes the applet completely from memory, closing it permanently. The init method initializes an applet by configuring its size and settings, and can also read input parameters from the HTML file to provide customization. For instance, passing X, Y, and H values from the HTML file allows the applet to draw a rectangle with the specified dimensions. While applets share similarities with applications, there are key differences in their structure and execution methods. Applications can include advanced programming concepts, have a main method for independent execution, and offer broader functionality. In contrast, applets have a simpler structure and require a web browser or applet viewer to run. However, applets are subject to limitations, such as restricted file access, inability to run local or remote programs, and confinement to the AWT swing packages. These limitations stem from the different objectives and purposes of applets compared to applications. Despite these restrictions, applet programming enhances web applications with interactivity and multimedia capabilities. By passing parameters via HTML, we can customize applet output, and more advanced features like color and thickness will be explored in subsequent modules. Throughout this exploration of applet programming, our goal is to provide an enjoyable learning experience, thoroughly examining the subject matter through a series of modules and equipping you with the knowledge and skills to create engaging and interactive web applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.